Hello! This sensory DIY video is about dyeing materials to use as filler in your bins, bags, or bottles. We will show you how to dye rice, beans, or pasta to use in different projects. Here are some examples of what finished fillers look like. Rice is the easiest to handle and dye. With pasta, you can take advantage of the fun shapes available. And dried navy, lima, or garbanzo beans take color well and have a nice texture when used in bins. This is an example of colored rice in an insect-themed bin. The green is bright but allows the toy bugs to stand out. This bin uses purchased black beans and dyed pasta in insect shapes. Either of these would work well in a sealed bag as well. Here is what we will need to color our materials: dry rice, beans, or pasta, a glass bowl because it won't stain, rubber gloves, you could also do all of this in a sealable bag, isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and a good quality food dye. The advantage of using a bowl is it can be reused instead of thrown away. And there's also very little chance that the bowl is going to break and leak rice or beans all over your table. The important tips for dyeing pasta are: complicated shapes are fun, but can be hard to get good coverage for the dye. These bow ties took longer than the rice and beans combined. There were also places where the liquid pooled, and I was worried about dark spots or even mold if it didn't dry fast enough. One eternity later. The rice was by far the easiest material to dye. This would probably be fun to do with a child using a zip-top bag. Here is what the finished rice and pasta look like together. This could be a good base for a holiday bin. This is the process dyeing beans in a zip-top container. I am curious if the bowl method would have left these same variations in shade as this method did. If you use the zip-top bag method, make sure that you leave the bag open so that any material, in this case beans, can dry without getting moldy or stuck together. I think these would make a good ocean, river, or lake themed sensory bin.